See, one more train is coming. The signal has been green, and the route is red. The route is yellow. So when the train will come, then this yellow signal will become red. That's indicate the train is on the track. There is a control panel from where the signal has been given. Let's wait for arriving train. Howrah Radhikapur Express is coming. See, it's become red, and this also become red. Let's go. After departure the train, the route has been lightless, so it's look like this. See, it's become red, it's become yellow, and the routes become no light.